there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about resource scheduling. So for example, let's take example that you want to use the resources, like you want to use a horror room, you want to use equipment, and you actually want to fix a meeting of your own organization, of your own section, of your own department, and you want to take a bit of a horror room and the printer which we just created. So let me send a mail. For example, I'm Anirudh, and let me send the mail. Let me open the mail first. Saying the password is wrong, I guess. Let me try the password once again. Okay, so I guess that password has been taken out. Okay, so it is open, inbox has been opened. Now what you're going to do is going to create a new mail. Now you can see once you push a new mail there, anyway, the new button will go with the mail. You can create a new mail, but there is a drop down list there as well. When you click on the drop down mark, you will find out the meeting request. There is an option called meeting request, and when you open this particular untitled meeting, it will be open, and you can create it. You can scheduling for the assistance, or you can even fix the appointment. Now for example, where means I want to fix the appointment where. So for example, let me find it out. It's saying that let me say horror room, because it is not a common meeting and it will be done between 2 or 3 people, 1 people. That is totally up to the need. So I say horror room, and I want horror room. So let me search a mailbox there. Let me find it out the spelling. So it's searching out because we already have that, so we got it, horror room mailbox. Now optional, whether means to whom, as from to whom with you wants to do a meeting. So optional is there, that for example wants to meet with Dan Major. Now the resources, for the resources it requires, for example, say printer of the department. So say printer 1. And the subject, what is the subject, why this meeting is happening. So let's say the subject, for example, let's say the subject is let me say that the subject is for pamphlet designing for annual function. Okay, this is what the subject is, and let me go with the start time. What is start time you want to go with? So say 12th of November. The timing, let's fix it of 12:30 p.m. Let me 12:30 p.m. this afternoon, and then at okay, it will be end at 1 hour. That's more than sufficient for us. Okay, we will send a reminder as well, 15 minutes, and whatever show time as busy, free, tentative, according to that you can add it. But that is done with us, and you can send a message as well, whatever the message you want to add with. You need your time to design the pamphlet for annual function. So basically, why require print in that case? Maybe for the outline, maybe how the design going to be, so that we can submit the pamphlet to any pamphlet designer company where they can design a pamphlet for it. Now we have sent the mail. Okay, so mail has been sent. You can check it out, the mail, and since it's work in the calendar option in the calendaring option, so it will be scheduled properly that when exactly going to be happen, this particular meeting going to be happen. And you can see that it will be entirely scheduled. The entire message will be means everything will be there, well scheduled. You can see the Outlook web app in the calendaring option, because it used the calendaring option. So at 12 I want you to know about, and you can see that there is a message in the 12th that require hurdle room, optional is Dan Major, and resources requires sprint 1. So if Dan Major, another employee of the company, open the mail, so how he will, for example, let me give a password as well, sign in the password, and the mail. Okay, this is what the mail has been sent. So now I got the option. Now if, for example, Dan Major, since the meeting has been appointed, so it's up to you. If Dan Major realize that there is no that he's free with that time, there is no other work, so he can basically accept that, and basically he will accept, or according to tentative or declining, that is totally up to you. So in that case, for example, if he's accepting, then a message will be, immediate acknowledgement will be sent to the user as well. The mail has been done with, because it's kind of push mail. So now you can see that there immediately an update has been made that one attendee accepted, and it is totally, I mean, how many people work on, how many people were actually going to attend the meeting. That will be how many has declined and how many has going to attend. So a kind of a update will be sent, an unread mail. So let me check it out with once again. This is what the mail was, and the acknowledgement mail has been sent that this guy, the image, are going to accept and going to come in a meeting as well. You can even check it out, the calendar scheduling. When you check in a D Majors account as well, you would get that in the calendaring option, you would get that there is a meeting schedule, and I have accepted at this time. So the entire record is there from the calendaring option. So hope you learned something about using the resource mail. Means we are going to scheduling the resource mails. So hope you learned something from